What inspired you to pursue a career in accounting?
I've always been fascinated by the precision and clarity of numbers. Accounting allows me to leverage this fascination to help organizations manage their finances effectively.
How do you explain the accounting equation to someone without an accounting background?
I would explain that the accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus equity, is like a financial seesaw. Assets are on one side, and liabilities and equity are on the other. It must always stay balanced, just like a seesaw should be level.
Can you briefly describe the purpose of financial statements?
Financial statements provide a snapshot of a company's financial health. The income statement shows profitability, the balance sheet presents assets and liabilities, and the cash flow statement reveals cash movements.
In accounting, what is the significance of the accrual basis of accounting?
Accrual accounting ensures that financial transactions are recorded when they occur, providing a more accurate picture of a company's financial position, even if cash hasn't changed hands.
Differentiate between accounts payable and accounts receivable.
Accounts payable are amounts a company owes to suppliers, while accounts receivable are amounts owed to the company by its customers.
How do you account for the depreciation of assets?
Depreciation is allocated over an asset's useful life. Common methods include straight-line depreciation, which spreads the cost evenly, or declining balance, which allocates more depreciation in early years.
Can you explain the concept of the chart of accounts?
The chart of accounts is a structured list of all accounts used by a company to record financial transactions. It helps organize and classify financial data.
What is the purpose of the trial balance in accounting?
The trial balance ensures that total debits equal total credits, verifying the accuracy of the accounting entries before financial statements are prepared.
What is the role of the statement of cash flows in financial reporting?
The statement of cash flows details how cash flows in and out of a company during a specific period, categorizing it into operating, investing, and financing activities.
Which accounting software do you prefer and why?
I prefer Tally because of its user-friendly interface, robust features, and wide acceptance in the industry.
Can you explain the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel?
VLOOKUP is used to search for a specific value in a range of data and return a corresponding value from the same row. It's handy for tasks like retrieving prices from a product list.
What role does data validation play in Excel and accounting?
Data validation ensures that only valid data is entered into a spreadsheet, reducing errors and maintaining data accuracy.
How do you ensure data security and confidentiality when using accounting software?
I ensure data security by setting access controls, using secure passwords, and regularly updating software to protect against vulnerabilities.
How do you assess the liquidity of a company using financial ratios?
Liquidity ratios, like the current ratio and quick ratio, help evaluate a company's ability to meet short-term financial obligations using its current assets.
Can you explain the concept of financial leverage in accounting?
Financial leverage refers to the use of borrowed funds, debt, to increase the return on equity. It can amplify both gains and losses for shareholders.
How does the cash flow statement help in assessing a company's financial stability?
The cash flow statement provides insights into how well a company manages its cash, making it a valuable tool for assessing financial stability and short-term liquidity.